Welcome to Sea Horizon. Hi, I'm Sheryl from OrangeTee AAG. Let me take you on a tour of a one-of-a-kind 5-bedroom residence at Sea Horizon, designed for those who seek the finest in coastal living. Nestled in the heart of Pasir Ris, this luxurious home offers a lifestyle surrounded by lush greenery, resort-like facilities, and the beach just steps away. A gateway to unparalleled coastal living. Set on a sprawling 27,660 square meter plot, Sea Horizon is a well-established development with 495 units that TOP'd in 2016. With only 92 units of 5-bedroom apartments, our unit stands out as one of just 20 on a premium stack with this layout, and the only one in the development with no west sun throughout, ensuring a naturally cool and bright space year-round. Spanning 1,604 square feet, this remarkable unit boasts 5 generously sized bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a large balcony perfect for outdoor living, and a versatile utility room. Let's explore what makes this stunning residence truly exceptional. The spacious foyer greets you with a sense of grandeur, setting the tone for the expansive interiors. The dining and living area is a showstopper, anchored by an oversized, organic-shaped dining table that comfortably seats 10, perfect for hosting unforgettable gatherings. The creamy white walls, walnut accents, and sleek cabinetry lend a pristine, cohesive aesthetic, while the built-to-ceiling cabinets provide abundant storage and display space. Step onto the generous balcony where lush greenery and sparkling pools create a resort-like ambience. This versatile space is your private retreat, with a cozy swing chair for quiet moments, outdoor armchairs and a table for casual breakfasts, and room to add a dining set or lush foliage to complete the experience. Adjacent to the living area is a thoughtfully converted study room. Its glass walls infuse the home with natural light, while parquet flooring complements the sleek white and walnut cabinetry. The enclosed kitchen is a culinary haven with bright and spacious interiors. It features a large 2-door fridge, an abundance of cabinets in a timeless white and walnut theme, and 2 windows that keep the space airy. A washer-dryer is tucked neatly to the side alongside a bathroom and utility room, ensuring practicality. The bedrooms continue the theme of elegance and comfort. The second and third bedrooms, both with built-in wardrobes, open directly to the balcony, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor connection that's perfect for kids or relaxation. The 4th bedroom, tucked at the corner, mirrors this sophistication with parquet flooring and a pristine white wardrobe. The master bedroom is a true retreat, featuring a king-size bed, a large built-in wardrobe connected to a functional dresser table, and floor-to-ceiling sliding doors that open to a private planter balcony. The ensuite bathroom features the same luxurious finishes as the common bathroom, with ample space and impeccably designed with windows, ensuring they are well ventilated and filled with natural light, creating a fresh and comfortable atmosphere. Beyond the home, Sea Horizon offers unparalleled amenities. The Sky Clubhouse boasts a fully equipped gym with panoramic sea views and an infinity pool, while 2 large pools, a children's pool, multiple barbecue pits, serene seating areas, and a tennis court provide endless options for recreation. The location is enviable. We are directly across from Pasir Ris Park and the beach, offering a tranquil coastal lifestyle. Downtown East is opposite us, providing an array of dining, shopping, and entertainment options. We are just 15 minutes on foot or 2 bus stops away from Pasir Ris MRT, with the newly opened Pasir Ris Mall and White Sands Shopping Mall offering endless retail options. Tampines MRT and popular malls are just one stop away, while Changi Business Park, Jewel and Changi Airport are a 10-minute drive. Tampines Retail Park is also a short drive away. Connectivity is a breeze with TPE and PIE, ensuring easy access to the city and other parts of Singapore. Schools within 1 kilometre include Casuarina Primary and Pasir Ris Primary. As we wrap up, it's clear that Sea Horizon presents a rare opportunity to indulge in luxurious coastal living, where every detail is thoughtfully designed for ultimate comfort and serenity. This isn't just about owning a home, it's about living a lifestyle of effortless luxury and tranquility. If you're ready to make Sea Horizon your sanctuary by the sea, reach out to me for an exclusive tour. I'm Sheryl, Real Estate with Heart and Soul.